Hi, my name is Mike Seeley, and what I have to tell you will either flood your business with leads or flood your competitor's business, and it's up to you. First off, who the heck am I and why should you listen to me? Well, let me tell you that I am not a house painter, at least on purpose, and I don't have any experience in the painting business. But over the last couple of weeks, I have quietly started to dominate the internet search engines for house painters in your area. How'd I do this? Tell you what, I'll give you the details in a minute, but just know I have a system that any house painter could leverage online to generate high quality leads each and every month right here in Newport. And nobody's doing it except for us. Now, as I promised, here's how I did it. First of all, I set up the domain www.newporthousepainter.com and began using my highly effective system to show up in the regular search results. And did I ever? As I shoot this video from my studio, I'm dominating the search engines. I've got a video below that shows you all the proof. As of this morning, I had 5 of the top 6 listings on page 1 of Google for Newport House Painter. This is really important now, and I want you to know why. 30% of Google searches are for local terms, just like Newport House Painter. These are the terms people type in to find house painters, like you in the Newport area. See, I create a special traffic magnet videos that drives interested prospects to my website. Using my expertise, I got the video to appear all over the internet for anything related to Newport House Painter. People then go to my website, and I convert them into leads. I invite you to try it out as soon as you're done watching this video. Again, go to www.newporthousepainter.com. Enter your name and email, and then watch the magic happen. You'll get an email from me right after you register, so make sure you click on the link in it and get added to my automated follow-up campaign. And there's even more marketing magic power to come. Again, why is this important to you? Well, because traditional local advertising and marketing just isn't as effective anymore. TV, radio, newspaper, yellow pages. They're all very expensive and very hard to track. Now, if someone is searching on the internet looking for a house painter in Newport, they are much better prospects. Now, I have an entire strategy to help one house painter in Newport become highly successful using the internet. I only work with one business in each city and category. I do this because I help my clients completely dominate the internet for their for their business and generate quality leads and sales. Now, I'm not hyping this, nor am I trying to convince you to call me. However, if you truly understand this opportunity, then you need to call me before your competitors do. I'm local. I'm looking to work with only one house painter in Newport to expand their business using my highly effective techniques and the internet. My results speak for themselves. If you're interested in hiring me to consult, transfer the strategy, and expand the strategy to your company and for your company, you should call me right away. I'm sending this out to 14 of the top house painters in Newport. So the question is not if it will work, but who it will work for, you or one of your competitors. Again, my name is Mike Seeley, and I'm looking to work with one savvy house painter right here in Newport. If that's you, then give me a call at the number listed here, right away. And if that's not you, I appreciate you watching and listening to me and hope you picked up some tips. Hey, have a good day and take care.